How to fix unable to launch game? Please try reinstalling the game in GTA 5. For this first step, you need to open up Task Manager and end the task of Rockstar Game Launcher on GTA. If it's running in background, means you need to end the task completely. After end the task, install or repair Microsoft Visual C++. For this, open up Settings, click App Settings, click Install App, scroll down and check Microsoft Visual C++. If you're having the older version, means you need to go to the official website of Microsoft, download and install the latest version. You need to install both 64 and 86-bit. After installation, you need to click the three dot icon on the right hand side, click Modify, and click Repair. Do it for both 64 and 86-bit. Once complete, after close it and come to next step. Right click Rockstar Game Launcher, click Properties, click Compatibility, and make sure run the program as administrator. Should be in enable mode. Click Apply and OK. Next step, reinstall Batley. For this, you need to open up the Rockstar Games Launcher. Open it and click Settings. In this, you have seen the Batley settings. You need to disable it. After disable, you need to close it and search for command prompt. Right click Run as administrator and type the following text: SC space DELETE space BESERVICE. Type it and click enter. After that, close it and you need to enable the batch live option. Once enabling, after you need to restart your device. If still it's not working, means you need to reinstall the Rockstar Game Launcher and application and again install it.